Hello diecast fans and collectors, welcome back to Studio 64. In this episode, we shall unbox and review a special model from Tarmac Works. The 2021 Tarmac Works Owners Club model, Toyota Hi-Ace wide body, drift version. And like the previous episode, I'd like to extend my appreciation to Tarmac Works for sending this model to be featured and reviewed in this channel. And again, not to be taken as a sponsored video, hence, my views will be unbiased. In case you're wondering what's this Tarmac Works Owners Club is all about, here's a quick briefer. Since 2019, Tarmac Works has been offering an exclusive, very limited, annual membership to the Owners Club to interested customers. Basically, if you become a member of the club, you receive certain benefits like first access to models, special discounts, and a club-exclusive diecast model. Very similar to the Hot Wheels Red Line Club. The model included 2019 membership was an RWB 930, Southern Cross, in the Hobby 64 line. While the model included in the 2020 membership was a Pagani Cinque, carbon fiber edition in the Global 64 line. For more details on how you can be a member, and the benefits that comes with it, visit their website at tarmacworks.com. You'll have to hurry though, it's limited to only 1,999 slots. Beginning with the packaging. You probably noticed from the pictures the boxes that the models came with. They're different from the standard packaging. It's definitely more premium. Same goes with this box. It's made of a thick cardboard, wrapped in craft paper, giving it a cargo box look, complete with a Tarmac Works packing tape decal on top. Here's a quick scan of the sides of this box. Opening the box is done by lifting the face with the Tarmac Works logo. It's just held by a magnet, so it's pretty straightforward. Inside the box you'll see the model securely fixed in place, with its separate standard Tarmac Works packaging. And just beneath the flap lies the exclusive membership card, that resembles a Japanese car plate if I'm not mistaken. It's made of aluminum metal, painted on the front, and a bare brushed finish at the back. Numbers here aren't random numbers. The number 21 represents the year of this particular version, 2021. And the 501 is most likely the control number. In this case, this unit I'm showing you is number 501 of the 1,999 made. Oh, and in case you're wondering how come this model is only released in 2022. Well, I can only assume that it's a delay due to the pandemic. But I will try and find out from Tarmac Works, and we'll post an update. And here it is. It comes in a cutout sleeve box, with the acrylic display case inside. Interestingly, it doesn't come with a container van box. Well, I personally prefer this packaging anyways. On top you'll see the model line, this one being a Hobby 64. You have your standard info sheet at the bottom, and at the rear, an artwork representing the livery of the Toyota Hi-Ace inside. A brief background on the real van. It was custom built in 2014, by a Japanese company called Essex. A company that specialized in custom parts and accessories or the Toyota Hi-Ace. Even though this drift van can actually drift and race on the track, it was built mainly as a marketing tool for the company. And it worked. Custom drift vans are quite big now in Japan. Going back to the model, it is encased in this plastic acrylic display cover. The model is propped up on this black display base, and the model details are indicated in front of the base. And while the model is still on the base, let's check out the stance on this one. Van sits pretty low, but could be lowered a little bit more in my opinion. And here it is. You might be wondering if this is a new tooling from Tarmac Works. And it's not. Tarmac Works has released several Hi-Ace models in the past, one of which is the Hong Kong Toy Car Salon 2021 Special Edition. It's probably the closest similar model to this one. First thing I do when unboxing a model is to check if the wheels roll. For this model, I was already expecting a semi, to a non-rolling wheels model, since it's a Hobby 64 diecast. True enough, this model has semi-rolling wheels. But I think with a few adjustments to the base screw, I can get these wheels to roll. We'll see. While we're on the wheels, a closer look shows a detailed mesh type, unmistakably NK design rims. And on this rear rim, it has a nicely detailed deep outer lip, painted in chrome. Tires are made of rubber, and are detailed with treads. Pretty low profiled as well. A look at the exterior of this model, I can appreciate how striking the model is. The paintwork is great. The shade of red is spot on, as well as the livery. Very realistic. Paint application is considerably even. A bit bordering on the thick side though, especially near the edges. But very nice just the same. The black accent trims are precisely painted. Tampo graphics is excellent. Accurate, readable, and very well placed. Although the gray tribal graphic seems to be a decal. You'll notice the border is quite visible. Side mirror seems to be part of the diecast mold, and has a reflective sticker insert. It's worth noting that the mirrors are done really well. It's detailed, proportioned, and properly positioned. Moving to the front end, we can see the distinct Toyota Hiace fascia. Front grills have the mesh detail, that goes down to the front spoiler. However, I did notice the front bumper is different from the real car based on the pictures and videos I've seen online. Not sure if this is a different version? Would have been nice if they used the other version with the exposed intercooler. Headlights are plastic inserts, with an internal assembly quite visible. The front car plates is interestingly placed on the dashboard. The number 3 represents the third owner's club model. Interior is amazing. In the front, it's detailed with a steering wheel, rear view mirror, gear shift lever, handbrake lever, and the red bucket seats. Moving to the rear, we can see that the interior is nicely painted in white, with some silver accents and a red fire extinguisher. The rear end of this model features these smoke tail light plastic lenses, the 2 chrome dual exhaust tips, and a rear fog light plastic insert in between. The plastic rear wing is attached firmly, but still quite fragile. It's detailed with the Essex Tampo graphics on top and on the wing tips. A Goodyear logo graphics is seen below. Base is made of plastic, and has an ample amount of under-chassis detail to it, complemented by the silver exhaust system. And there you have it. The 2021 Tarmac Works Owners Club model, Toyota Hiace wide body, drift version. My first Owners Club model. So, my take on it? I think having an Owners Club is a great idea. Marketing-wise. It gives the hobbyists, and collectors alike, a chance to engage in the brand on a personal level because of the exclusivity. Having said that, this particular model is actually a nice diecast. It's very detailed, and well built, for a Hobby 64 standard model. However, given that it's supposed to be a very limited edition, for exclusive club members, I do wish they made the model more premium. I can think of several ways to do it. But, in perspective, it's only the third owner's club for Tarmac Works. I believe it's still a very collectible piece. Definitely a die-cast historic piece worth investing in, not to mention the perks that comes with it. What do you guys think? As always, do leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do consider subscribing for more 1/64 die-cast reviews. Till next time. Be safe.